Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Hello Khalid.
Hello,
How are you Khalid?
I am fine.
Hamman. Open your books, page 76.
Hi, teacher.
Hello. Okay, on page 76 we have topic which is investigating habitats. Habitats means living places for living things. Discover that different animals live in different habitats and how animals are adapted to their habitats. The big idea is there are many different habitats and many different adaptations. Okay, look at this picture of leopard attacking a porcupine. Okay, yes, sir. Discuss your observation with the partner. Okay, what will happen? The porcupine is protecting itself, and porcupine does not seem frightened because of the attack. The porcupine is defending itself from attack. Porcupine has these needles type skin, so it can protect itself. So that's why it is not frightened from the leopard. Okay, with me. Yes, then. Okay. Then let's look at how some other creatures have adapted to survive in their habitats. So basically, they are discussing in this topic how to protect themselves, how the animals protect themselves in their adaptations. Okay, look at the picture of a snake here. The snake is going to eat the egg. The jaw of the snake are adapted to move so that the snake can eat things that are bigger than its own head. Its jaw are adapted. Can you identify any other adaptations that snake has to help it live in its habitat? So snake has color, sharp teeth, right? And venom, etc. The snake has venom also. If something or some other animal tries to kill the snake has venom to protect itself. Okay, so it's very dangerous for the other animals. Look at these two snakes. There are two snakes. One snake has venom and other does not. One has venom and one does not. But how would you know the difference? We need to be very careful when we see the snake, because a snake bite can be very dangerous. As we know, snake bite is very dangerous. This is eastern coral snake and this is scarlet king snake. One has venom and one does not, but they are, by their color, they are same. We cannot identify that which one has venom and which doesn't. So be careful when you see any snake. Look at these pictures of animals that have adapted to live in their environment. Read the adaptations, write the letter of each animal in the correct box. Number A is chameleon. Number 2, B tortoise, C peregrine falcon, D puffer fish. One is I can make myself look very big to scare away other creatures. I produce a poison that can kill human. That can kill human. Number one,
Teacher.
hello, brother. Number one is
Hi,
D.
teacher.
D. It can show itself bigger. D. You will write here D. Then number 2, I can change color. It can change color, so I can hide from other creatures. I have a very long sticky tongue.
I am Omar Mohammed.
My eyes can move around to look for food. So chameleon can change its color. So we'll write here A. Number 2 is A because it can change its color and it has sticky long tongue and it can roll out there its eyes also around to look for food. Number 3, I move very slowly. I have a hard shell that protects me. I have claws to dig holes and for my holes for my egg. Yes, it's C. Oh, sorry, B. Tortoise. Tortoise moves very slowly. It has claws to grip. I have sharp talons to catch my food. I can dive through the air very fast. I have pointed wings.
It's
Wing-
C, teacher.
C. Very good. Okay, last one, C. Okay, so there are differences between number 1 to 4 and the names are from A to D. It's finished, right? It's very easy.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, moving towards next page, which is page number 78. Identification keys. Identification yani is yani when you identify something. Like what is this animal? What is the name of this animal? Yes.
Cat.
Cat. Yeah, it's very easy. How did you know? Because you know some identification keys like its face cut or the features of its body. So these are identification keys.
Yes,
So write here cat
I want something.
because it's a cat.
Do I write cat, Mr. or no?
Yes. Write here cat. Then learn how to use identification keys. We can find out name of the creature. We can we are unfamiliar with by using identification keys. Hello, Usama. How are you?
I'm fine.
Omar Muhammad is there.
Yes, I am there, his teacher.
Okay, Mr. Omar. Then Badr is there. Ten, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Yazan is there. Usama. Nadeem is there. Now Abdullah Faisal is there. Asil Rabi. Muhammad Ibrahim Somali. Nadeem and Abdullah. Abdullah Leham.
عليكم.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you, Abdullah?
I am fine.
So we wrote here cat, C-A-T. Then we have some identification keys, how to use it, how to use the keys. Okay. So we know what it is because we already know the name of this animal. We can find out the names of creatures we do not know already.
Hi,
We can
Mister.
use identification keys. Hello, Nadeem. To help us look at this example of identification keys. So these are identification keys which we use to identify the animal. Okay, number one is can it fly? It's mean identification keys are questions also. Okay, these are questions. Can it fly? If you say yes, we have other question. If you say no, we have other question. Okay. Yes, mean then we have question. If the answer is yes, does it have feathers? No. If they say no, we have other question. If it say yes, so it means the answer is robins. If they say no, we have does it have spot on its wings? If they say yes, we know spotted fritillary, right? I can't see it. Okay, fritillary. Then does it have spots on wings? And if they say no, it's mean Adonis blue butterfly. If there are no spots. Okay, if the answer is no, can it fly? No. Then does it live in the trees? If they say no, it's mean mosquitoes. Macaque, sorry. Then if they say no, it's mean does it have water? Does it live in water? If they say yes, it's hammerhead shark. Then if they say no, that's gray wolf. So it's mean we can make questions, ask the questions which are identification keys. Okay, identification key yani mifta. Identification keys how to identify the animals, different animals. If you don't know their names, if you know their names, you can write directly. Okay. Okay, now open page number 79. Use the identification key to on page number 78 to identify the creatures. Write the names of the creatures in the boxes. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 points where you can write the names. What we discussed on page number 78, this one. Okay. So we will write their names here. Number 1 is gray wolf. Number 1. Number 2, spotted fritillary. Spotted fritillary. Number 2, spotted fritillary. number 2. Then number 3, which is macaque, MACAQUE. Then number 4, which is hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. Number 5, Adonis blue butterfly. Adonis blue butterfly. The last one, number 6, robin, which is a kind of bird. Okay.
اللي انت بتعمله ده برجعهولك بس. فين الحاجات اللي كانت عليه؟ برجعهولك. ارجعها لك. مش هزار على فكرة، انا عليه حاجات مهمة جدا.
Finish.
Mister, where are you?
Hello. I'm fine. How are you, Mr. Robin?
Fine.
Have you finished?
No.
No, teacher.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes.
Okay. Take your time and finish it, no problem. Abdullah Leham, are you there? Nadeem Walid, absent. Muhammad Ibrahim Somali and Asil Rabi.
I'm not absent.
Yes.
Okay, okay. I know you are there.
I finished.
Asil Rabi, Muhammad Ibrahim Somali and Abdullah Leham.
And Basil is here.
Yeah, I know. I didn't say your name.
I am Khalid. It's here.
Okay.
I am finished.
I am finished. Okay. So down you have identification
finished.
keys. Identification keys. Does it live in water? If they say yes or if they say no. If they say yes, you will ask, does it have legs? This will be the next question. Okay, and on the right side, if they say no, you will ask, does it have 4 legs? Okay, if it lives in water, if they say yes, you will ask only if it has legs or not. If they say no, then you will ask, does it have 4 legs? Yani 4. You will ask the number of the legs. Okay, now if they say yes, it has legs, then you will ask, is it is an, sorry, is it an insect? If they say no, then you will ask, does it have tentacles? Okay. Then on the right side, does it live in water? If they say no, you will ask, does it have 4 legs? If they say yes, you will ask, does it eat grass? Or if they say no, then you will ask, does it have feathers? So there are questions you can ask. Like here, if they say yes, does it live in water? They say yes. Does it have legs? They say yes. Is it an insect? If they say yes, that is water botman. If they say no, it's mean it's frog. Then it has legs. If they say no, it's mean your question is, does it have tentacles? If they say yes, that is octopus. If they say no, that is dolphin.
Finish.
Then on the right side, if they say no, it doesn't live in
Finished.
water, you will ask, does it have 4 legs? If it has 4 legs, yes, then you will ask, does it eat grass? If it eats grass, that is robin. If they say no, that is cat. If they say no, it doesn't have 4 legs, you will ask, does it have feathers, yani wings? If it has wings, that is eagle, and if it doesn't have, that is snake. Okay, so that's how you can identify the animal through identification keys. These are identification keys. So if we talk about Nadeem, Nadeem have do you have 4 legs?
No.
No. If
You
if
have
you say
to.
no, you said no, then I will ask, do you have 2 legs? Yes. Okay. Then you have feathers.
Okay.
Do you have feathers? Yani wings?
No, no, no.
No. Okay. Do you walk? Yes.
What? Yes,
Walk
yes,
yani
yes.
imshi. Yes. You eat food? Yes.
Yes.
So these are the, what we say, identification keys or questions you can ask and make or identify the animal or human or whatever the thing is. Okay. That's how identification keys work. Who didn't finish? Min mafi khalas.
Me, me, me. Me.
Okay, okay,
Me.
okay, okay. Take your time.
Finish. Teacher, me.
Okay,
I
Mr. Naeem.
finished. I finished, teacher.
Thank you, Yazan.
I finished first one.
Okay.
I second one.
Okay, long way to go.
Finish.
Okay.
Teacher, me hour 2.
Okay. I will send you the video link and you can finish it. Okay. You have any question about this? Who is this, Abdullah?
No.
Abdullah Lehan.
Finish.
Hello, Abdullah.
Hi, sir.
Hello, you are late today. I will send you video link and you can finish your work. Okay, Abdullah?
Okay.
You have any questions, boys?
No.
No.
يا أستاذ
Aywa.
ارسل اللينك بسرعة.
Yes, I will send you. When I will upload, it will take some time. Okay. I will upload the video and send you the link. Okay. Goodbye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.